Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically connect in AnyDesk. Automatically connecting to a remote devices in AnyDesk is achieved through its unattended access feature. This allows you to establish a remote connection without requiring manual acceptance on the remote side. It's particularly useful for accessing your office computer from home, providing IT support, or managing remote servers. First, you need to install the AnyDesk application. You need to ensure it is installed on the device you wish to access remotely. It's recommended to install AnyDesk rather than using the portable version to ensure it runs at startup and after reboots. Now launch AnyDesk on the remote device. Let's imagine that this is the remote device. Click on the menu icon on the remote device at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu, and in the Settings window, head over to the Security tab in the left panel and click on should we do permissions? That's actually depending on what we want. So let's head over to Access, and from Access is where we have unattended access. Go ahead and click on Unlock. That's if the settings are locked. So go ahead and click on Unlock, and it's going to unlock the settings. So now you go. Now scroll down to the unattended access section, which we have here, and check the box labeled Allow other devices to save login tokens for this client. Check this box. All right, then click on Set Password for unattended access, and in the dialog box, enter a strong password that meets the following criteria: at least 8 characters long, includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, avoids common or easily guessable patterns. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Apply button to save changes. That's it. So optionally, you can configure permissions profile. For AnyDesk version 7 and newer, you can set specific permissions for unattended access. Still in the security settings, head over to permissions, and on the permissions, you have to unlock the permissions, and that's going to take you here. So you can create or edit a profile to define what the remote user can do, such as control keyboard and mouse. What can the user do? If you check the box right next to it, if you do not want that, just uncheck it. Or access the clipboard, or use the file transfer, or use file manager, or enable privacy mode, just whatever. Assign this profile to the unattended access setup. Then on your local device, open AnyDesk, enter the AnyDesk ID or alias of the remote device in the remote desk field, and which is here. Then click Connect. When prompted, enter the password you set for the unattended access. Optionally check Login automatically from now on to save a connection token, allowing future connections without re-entering the password. So that's pretty much it. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.